It's another day, another crawler. No, What's up, buddy? Yeah. I'm not. I'm waiting for you. I know better.
I'll get that going now.
Yeah, I knew. I figured the pipe's obviously on the back of the crawler somewhere. So I'm not crawling over there with nothing. I know better, bro. Yeah, I'm working. I'm the new guy on the job. I just got my light. You don't realize I've been hanging in these crawlers for years. So I get treated like a guy that don't know nada. Well, anyways, I just want to say what's up. About ready to go dig up some shit pipe. Badass, stinky ass job. So bad I got some glasses on. I don't know what to say. Oh, word of wisdom of the day. Just take obstacles one at a time. If you look at all of your obstacles all at once, then you like implode and overload.
Main drain of the house. Original cast iron.
It's another day, another crawl space. And I'm working in the... I'm trying to whisper because I have customers and my new boss is upstairs. You can hear me. But yeah, you see all the bugs and the... Every time they flush this sewer, it went into the crawler because they got that shit open. It's the nasty. It's another day, another crawler. I'm hanging out with Dave here. I'm the new guy. He's got the cast iron cutters. I have never seen this done before in person. This is gonna be fun to watch. He's gonna snap that cast, baby. Is it working its way under there?
Can you hold this right here?
Yeah. It's another day, another crawler, baby. Thanks for watching my channel. My phone ran out of space and it shut off mid-recording, but we got that shit cut and fixed and we got out. Thanks. Stay tuned in and follow me and subscribe and shit.